Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your NordVPN application. Keeping NordVPN up to date helps improve performance, strengthens security, and ensures you have access to the latest features. I'll walk you through a few simple ways to do it. First, check directly inside the app. NordVPN will sometimes display an update notification at the top of the window. If you see one, just click it and let the update install. Another option is to check through the Settings menu. Click the Settings icon, go to the General tab, and you'll see your current app version. If an update is available, there will be an Update button next to the version number. If you don't see anything, that usually means you're already running the latest version. You can also update NordVPN through Windows. Open the control panel, go to Programs, find NordVPN in the list, and select it. If an update or repair option is available, click it and Windows will reinstall the newest version automatically. If none of those methods work, the easiest solution is to uninstall and then reinstall the app. This ensures you get the most recent version with a fresh, clean setup. For Linux users, NordVPN can be updated through the terminal. Simply update your package list and reinstall the application so it pulls the latest version. The exact commands may vary depending on your Linux distribution. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to keep your NordVPN application up to date.